Hello, my name is Trey Hicks. I'm one of the co-founders of Recruitify. In this video, I'm going to walk through the start to finish process of how to download our app and use it for event ticketing. The first thing you will do is go to your app store and come up to the search bar and search for Recruitify. Once you see it, click on Get. Mine says open because I've downloaded it already. Once we download it, we will open that app, and then at the bottom of the screen is an icon. We'll click it, and we will click register device. We will do this one time. We only need the QR code that is provided by the event director, and then we need a point of sale reader that looks like this with a button on the side to turn it on and off. The next thing that I'll do is I will scan this QR code and register my device for this event. It will register successfully, and then it will be added to the events that I can work and have access to on my device. When we return, after we exit out of the session, we will click on that same icon. However, we will click on Scan Tickets. Once we click Scan Tickets, we will then select the event that we are working. The next thing that we will do is we will turn on the reader. It has 4 green lights indicating the battery level on that device. The next thing that we do is pair the reader after it's turned on. We will then select this reader from the list, and there is a small number on the back in the top left corner that matches the number that you are pairing it with. One thing that you will notice is once you pair it for the first time, it will ask you to utilize Bluetooth and select yes or pair. And then once it does that, you will then select the middle option for the location services. Those must be turned on and set to true to utilize the point of sale reader. Once we do that, we connect the reader and the reader will flash, and then the point of sale reader will be connected to your phone. The next thing that we can do is come in here and select an item to purchase or to sell. If somebody wants to come in and buy a Friday general admission, I click on the green icon and +1. I then click next. If they want a receipt, we can fill that out. Otherwise, we click no contact details needed and then next. I then click the left button over here for the point of sale reader, and then this initiates the transaction, and I would either tap the card or I would insert the card right there on the lip. Once that is done, the transaction will process, and then the person will be able to get their wristband and on their way. Once it's done, we can repeat that transaction, or we can come down to the bottom and do 2 other things. We can click the next icon, which is the ability to open up our camera and then scan a ticket. Once we scan a ticket, you will see either one of 3 colors: green, yellow, or red. Green means that the ticket was scanned successfully and it was a valid ticket and has been invalidated. Yellow means that the ticket was or is for the event and has not been scanned in. However, it is for another day. You do have the option to admit that ticket or not to admit the ticket. If it's red, that means the ticket has already been used or it is for another event, not the event that you are working. The last icon is the attendees, where you will be able to see every ticket that has been, or the most recent 100 transactions or tickets that has been purchased. You can then click on one of those tickets to view the attendees details and the order details. And then you can also manually toggle in that ticket on the screen that is in front of you once you click on a ticket. Once you are done for the day, if you would like, you can come down here and unpair the device and then exit the session, and then that is it. And then again, to return, click on the bottom icon and click Scan Tickets and repeat that process. Please let me know if you have any questions. Again, my name is Trey Hicks and my business partner is Will Newman. We can be reached at support@recruitifyhoops.com or by calling me at 336-689-1677 or Will Newman at 336-687-2410. Thank you.